How to turn on or turn off data roaming on Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. After you open Settings, click on the search button at the top right corner of your screen. Here, simply search roaming. After you search roaming, click on roaming. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. You'll find the SIM that is using roaming. Now to turn it off, you can simply click on it and the circle should be on the left side. And if you want to turn it on, make sure the circle is on the right side. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to turn on or turn off data roaming on Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.